How to use the one tap screenshot with assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. After click on interaction and dexterity, you will see assistant menu is here. Make sure turn on assistant menu. After turn on assistant menu, go back to home screen, and if you want to use one tab screenshot with assistant menu, click on assistant menu. You will see screenshot is here. Click on. You will see screenshot is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use the one tap screenshot with assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.